Okay, so blockchain gaming. Okay, so let me just load this. And what is blockchain gaming? Okay, anyway, so how is blockchain gaming or blockchain games different from normal games? Well, forget about cryptocurrencies, forget about Bitcoin. Blockchain games are not very, they differ only in one or two main aspects from normal gaming, and that's to do with the assets, the in-game assets, in-game objects that you can purchase, that you can buy, and then you can transfer those from one game to another game, or you can sell them on the market, the digital assets of the game, or you can buy digital assets outside of the game in a platform outside the game, and you can use those digital assets inside the game if they were designed for that specific game, or if that specific game accepts that type of digital asset. Okay, so pretty much it's to do with non-fungible tokens, NFTs, which means you can have one unique digital item, which means it doesn't have any copies. It's one of its kind, the only one of its kind, and you can trade that digital asset within your game or across different blockchain games. Okay, so that's one of the main differences that's possible in blockchain games. It's not possible to have unique gaming assets that cannot be copied in normal non-blockchain games. It's not possible. The security is not the way it should be around that. So yeah, the security is not the way it should be around that. And yeah, so okay, so just to repeat that, or to clarify what I mean, non-fungible tokens, which is NFTs, non-fungible tokens. Okay. A non-fungible token is a special type of cryptographic token which represents something unique. Non-fungible tokens are thus not interchangeable. Okay. CryptoKitties is an example of non-fungible tokens. Okay. Bitcoin is a fungible token. There are lots of Bitcoins. Okay, they are all the same. One Bitcoin is exactly the same as another Bitcoin. But one CryptoKitty is not the same as another CryptoKitty. They are unique, and therefore they are non-fungible. Okay. Cryptocurrencies are fungible. Some crypto assets that are, let me put it this way, unique crypto assets are non-fungible. Crypto assets that are not unique are like cryptocurrencies. Okay. So unique crypto assets, where you only have one of a kind of a specific crypto asset or token, means it's non-fungible. And blockchain games can allow for the use of non-fungible tokens, whereas normal non-blockchain games cannot use this functionality. They cannot. Okay, so that's one big difference. And then other than that, this is a blockchain game. Okay, this is a blockchain game. So let me just show you. This is another one. So just so that you don't forget about cryptocurrencies, blockchain gaming is the future. It's going to take over traditional gaming. The reason is because of the NFTs, non-fungible tokens, as well as the fact that they are decentralized. Blockchain games are decentralized. They are not running on just one central server. They are decentralized. That's another advantage. And other than that, they are no different from, it's still early stages of blockchain games, but look at this. Look at this. Okay, look at this. Look at Decentraland. It's a virtual world game. Virtual world game where you can build stuff, collect stuff, similar to a lot of other non-blockchain games, but that have virtual worlds. But yeah, you can actually own it and in your wallet, or you can actually own property, virtual property, a virtual world owned by its user. Build, explore, and earn money from your creations. Okay, so you can check that out for yourself. Dissolution is a first-person shooter game. It's pretty good. I've played it, and okay, Ethereum is a blockchain. It's a blockchain. Okay. So traditional gaming platforms create closed loops in terms of development. No one from the outside can build a different version of it, see the core logic, or use existing data assets. In a blockchain, most of the core logic and data assets is governed by smart contracts, and that can be analyzed and reused. Blockchain games are decentralized. Instead of living in a centrally controlled server, blockchain games assets, digital goods, are distributed among players. Blockchain games either issue their own token or use an existing token. Okay. With well-designed token economics and gameplay, blockchain games are starting a new era in the gaming industry. Okay. So, CryptoKitties, area of collectibles, non-fungible token games. Okay, so digital collectibles in a blockchain gaming space is based on non-fungible tokens. Okay, so you can even buy and sell, trade in digital art using non-fungible tokens. In other words, if an artist creates a digital art masterpiece, he can obviously copyright that with smart contracts and or some other solution functionality, and then trade it under the non-fungible tokens if he wants to sell it or trade it. Okay, makes that digital creation of that artist unique. No one can copy it. Okay, so you've got Ether Rockets, CryptoPets. Gambling I'm not interested in. No surprise that there's lots of gambling related games. Blockchain games, just like there are a lot of gambling related non-blockchain games. Okay, scaling and UX. The scaling is going to be solved pretty much soon in the next year or 2 years. Okay. User interface, no, that's not an issue. Don't even know why they mention it there. Lack of talent, currently the issue. It will change very fast. Benefits and potential of blockchain games. Reusable game assets. Okay, you can use them, reuse them in other games, from platform to platform. What's the word? Okay, transparency and incentives. It's much more secure. Exactly what the blockchain provides. Aligned developer play into unstoppable games. Conventional games run on a centralized server. They can be shut down for various reasons. Okay, blockchain games cannot. You cannot censor blockchain games. Low migration cost. And conclusion: blockchain games are already ahead in terms of incentivization. Though tech and UX user experience need a lot of improvement for mass adoption, we will see more progress in this direction over time, and scaling will improve. Developers already started building games on other blockchains like EOS, Tron, which have some better transaction rates. Better incentive and reusable assets will attract more professional development in this space. Okay. There are some ambitious projects like Decentraland, which I showed you just now, that plan to create a virtual world of blockchain assets. This is going to be huge. The possibilities are many, so it will be exciting to see how creative and passionate developers and players remix the fundamental principles of blockchain games into the games of the future. Okay. So that's that for now. I might go into this a little bit more in one of my next videos. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click the like button. Thank you.